Hello, friends, and I welcome you once again to our channel 7 Sense Aptitude Prep. I'm Vinod Prabhu, and in this video, we're going to look at another concept in ages known as average age. This playlist, you have the other videos of ages. Averages is a concept that is already on our portal as well as on this channel, but in a different playlist. This concept merges both those concepts, averages and ages. Okay, so let us see what those questions would all be about. What is an average? Average, is a recap, is the sum of the different occurrences by the total number of occurrences. If there are three people, their average age would be the sum of the ages by the number of people, which will be 3. That will give you the average. So, how is that utilized in ages? Okay, just to solidify our understanding, two people have a total of 600. So you and I have 600 rupees in total. Average amount, how do we calculate? Total by number of people, 600 by 2. We have an average of 300 rupees each. 4 people have a total of 600. Then the average no longer becomes 300. The average becomes 600 by 4, which is 150. Or on the other hand, the average is given, number of people are given, you want to find the total amount. 5 people have an average of 100 rupees each. The total amount will be 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 5 times, or 5 times 100, okay, which is 500. Average amount the 6 people have is 600. Total amount is 6 into 100, which is 600 rupees. Okay, that's the only concept that we need to remember in averages. In the Simpsons family, let us take alphabets to signify their ages. Average age of Homer plus Marge. So the average age by 2 equals 30. Okay. So it means Homer plus Marge, their ages, when you add them, it will be 60. Average age of Homer plus Marge plus Bart, okay, by 3 equals 23. But we know H plus M, Homer plus Marge size is 60. So 60 plus Bart is equal to 23 into 3 is 69. So Bart is 9 years old. Ramesh's mother is 10 years more than 2 is the age of Ramesh. Okay. So we'll write Ramesh as R, Ramesh's mother as M. Ramesh's mother is 10 years more than twice the age of Ramesh. So 2R plus M equals 2R plus 10 equals M. When Ramesh was born, his sister Deepika was 5 years old. Okay, so Ramesh plus 5 equals Deepika. So Deepika is 5 years older than Ramesh. Father was 10 years older than their mother. So even now, we have seen that the difference between ages remains the same. So this is father. So these are the three equations that we have. Average age of mother and father is 55. So M plus F by 2 is equal to 55. So this is equation. So let's say this is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3, and this is equation 4. So you will have M plus F is 110 because of this. M plus F by 2 is 55. So in 3, if we do it as M minus F, right? M minus F, bring it to this side, we'll get M minus F is equal to minus 10. You add 2M is equal to 100. M, we get it as 50. So the mother is 50 years old now. Is that the question asked? No. If the mother is 50, 2R plus 10 is equal to 50 based on equation 1. So 2R is equal to 40, R is equal to 20. If R is 20, D is R plus 5 based on equation 2. So D is equal to 25. Ratio of ages of the two siblings. Okay, let us say we take Deepika is to Ramesh. 25 by 20 divided by 5, 5:4. Okay, you might say, why have you not taken Ramesh is to Deepika? You can just look at the options. You will either have 5:4 or 4:5. You will not have both. Then you can choose that the ages of the two siblings are either in the ratio of 5:4 or 4:5. Sum of mother's age and her son's age. Okay, mother plus son equals 60. 10 years ago, m minus 10. So 10 years ago, mother was m minus 10. The product of their ages, s minus 10, was 10 times the mother's age at the time. So 10 years ago, see, mother plus son's age now is 60. 10 years ago, mother's age is m minus 10. Son's age is s minus 10. Their product was 10 times the mother's age at the time. So it's not into m, it is into m minus 10. Okay, this gets cancelled. S minus 10 equals 10. S is equal to 20. And m plus s equals 60. M is equal to 40. So if you have to verify, sum of mother's age and son's age is 60, we get it here. 10 years ago, son's age was 10, mother's age was 30. Product is 30 into 10, 300. Product of their ages was 10 times the mother's age at that time, which is correct. You can verify it this way. All problems in ages, the beauty is you can verify, because ages is a concept that we encounter daily. 10 years ago, the average age of Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna and Nakul was 42.5. Okay, so why it is asking for 10 years ago. Now, what I do, their question is, how old is Sahadeva now? So I would take past, present and future. So in the past, right? So I can either look at present as Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula and Sahadeva. So I have y plus, or I can keep that in the past. So let me take that in the present. So y minus 10, so 10 years ago, y minus 10 plus Bhima will be b minus 10 plus Arjuna will be a minus 10 plus Nakula will be n minus 10. So that is their age. That ratio, that average age divided by 4 was 42.5. Okay, so Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula, Sahadeva 10 years ago, you subtract 10 in each of their ages. So 4 people, 10 years ago, their average was 42.5. So you do y plus b plus a plus n, and there are 4 10s. So minus 40 is equal to 42.5 into 4 is 170. So sum of the ages y plus b plus a plus n is equal to 210. Now when Sahadeva joins them now, okay, he is not joined 10 years ago, he joined them now, the average age is 40. So you have y plus b plus a plus n plus s divided by 5 is equal to 50. And y plus b plus a plus n we know is 210. So 210 plus Sahadeva is equal to 50 into 5, which is 250. So Sahadeva's age now is 40 years. Ages of Kitty and Manja are added to twice the age of Srini. Kitty plus Manja added to twice the age of Srini, total is 59. If the ages of Manja and Srini are added to thrice the age of Kitty, total is 68. And if the ages of Kitty is added to thrice the age of both Manja and Srini, is total is 108. So we have equations 1, 2 and 3. In this, subtract 1 from 2. You will get 3k minus k is 2k. Okay, you change signs here. 3k and then the m and m gets cancelled. So 2k minus s. 68 minus 59 is 9. Okay. Then 3 and 2. Okay, multiply 2 by 3. You get 9k plus 3m plus 3s is equal to 68 into 3 is 100 and, or rather 204. K plus 3m plus 3s to 108. Subtract 8k is equal to 96. K is equal to 12. Who is K? Kitty. Kitty is 12. Now put this in this equation. Kitty is 12. 2 into 12, 24 minus s is equal to 9. S is equal to 24 minus 9. S is equal to 15. So Srini is 15. Substitute that in any equation. Let's say we substitute that in equation 2. 3k is 3 into 12, 36. Plus m we don't know, plus s we know as 15 is equal to 68. We get m as 68 minus 36 minus 15, we get m as 17. So Kitty is 12, Manja is 17 and Srini is 15. Average age of 5 daughters in a family is 6 years. Average age of these daughters along with their parents is 14 years. Mother is 2 years younger than the father. What is the age of the mother? So daughter 1 plus daughter 2 plus daughter 3 plus daughter 4 plus daughter 5 is equal to, the average age is 6. So the sum of the age D1 plus D2 plus D3 plus D4 plus D5 is 30. Now average age of these daughters along with their parents is 14, which means you add D1, all daughters, okay, all daughters plus mother plus father. The denominator should be how much? 5 plus 2, 7. That should be equal to 14. But we know all daughters, their ages are 30, okay. So 30 plus m plus f is equal to 14 times 7, which is 98. And m plus f will be equal to 68. So mother plus father's age is 68. Mother is 2 years younger than the father. So we know f minus m is equal to 2. F plus m is equal to 68. So if you subtract, 2f equals 70, f is equal to 35, f equals to 35, m is equal to 33. So age of the mother is 33. The average age of husband, wife and their son was 50 years when the son got married, okay. So when the son got married in the past, he had a daughter 2 years after the marriage. So let us look at the different timelines. When did he get married? That we do not know. Age of the daughter-in-law at the time of the marriage. So we have him marriage, at marriage, when it was the marriage, husband plus wife plus son, average is 50, which means this divided by 3 equals 50. You move it here, the sum of the ages becomes 50. Then marriage plus 2 years, they have a daughter, and the daughter was 10 years old, which means 12 years have passed from the marriage to the daughter being 10 years old. Average age of the family is 48, which means everyone's age gets added by, so we have H plus W plus S plus daughter-in-law plus granddaughter. Now 12 years have passed, right? So you have to add 12 to husband's age, you have to add 12 to wife's age, you have to add 12 to son's age, you have to add 12 to daughter's age. Granddaughter, because that's not counted, right? She's only 0 at that time. Plus granddaughter, that divided by, so granddaughter's age is 10. That divided by 5, average of the family is 48. So you have to add 12 to H, W, S and D, which means 48 has to be added here. Okay, H plus 12, W plus 12, S plus 12 and D plus 12. So we write H, we'll say H plus W plus S plus D plus 48 plus GD is 10, granddaughter is 10 by 5 equals 48, so multiply, you get 240. H plus W plus S is 150 plus D plus 48 plus 10 is 58 is equal to 240. So when you substitute, this will be 208. This D is equal to 32. That is the age of the daughter-in-law at the time of marriage, D. Okay, so because we have added D plus 12 to now, D is actually the age at the time of the marriage of the daughter-in-law was 32 at the time of marriage. So I hope you liked our videos. I hope you liked learning more in aptitude, in ages, as well as in other topics. If you liked what you learned, I request you to click the thumbs up sign, subscribe to the video, click the bell icon, share it with your friends. And if you need more practice, please visit our website, 7sensetalent.com. Thank you.